friends, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing well. Dear friends, already we have discussed in our previous class about general entries and exam pattern, how it will be for bcom first year's financial accounting. We have discussed in our previous class, right? Now in this class, dear friends, let's be you know try to understand what is actual trial balance and what are those entries that we are going to write in trial balance, that in detail we are going to discuss in this class. Okay now, so trial balance means generally, you know, trial balance is a statement. It is not the final account, dear. Trial balance is a statement. Okay, trial balance is a statement which supports to prepare final accounts. Trial balance is a statement which supports to prepare a final accounts. So now in this trial balance, that we will do interest, like what the amount will come in debit side, what the amounts will become in credit side, that we will segregate with the help of ledger accounts. First, you know that we will pass transactions in general entries, and after that ledgers, right? After completion of ledgers, we are going to transfer this ledger account details in the trial balance. Okay, it is a arithmetic mean, it is a numerical statement what we are going to get in an organization, that is helpful for what, for preparing the final accounts. Already in accounting process we have discussed, right? So with the help of trial balance, we are going to prepare trading profit and loss account and also balance sheet. Balance sheet is the final statement. Okay, trial balance is a statement which helpful for preparing trading profit loss account and balance sheet. I hope you people understood. Trial balance is a statement which is helpful for what? Which is helpful for prepare trading profit loss account and balance sheet. And balance sheet is a final statement. Balance uh, sheet is a final account, a final statement. Okay, this is a statement which is helps to prepare the final accounts. Trial balance is a statement which helpful to prepare trial balance. This you people know. Okay, now let's we discuss that how this trial balance is going to be. It's like this: particulars, debit and credit. What we are going to draw in format of a trial balance statement. First one is the particulars, and second is the debit amount, and third credit amount. This is the format of trial balance. Okay, dear students, so listen carefully. What are the entries that we are going to enter in trial balance? If you see, if you follow the steps properly, automatically by yourself, if you got this type of question in paper, you can solve easily. First, we have to know the steps, which entry is going to write where. Okay, so listen carefully. This is very important. Now debit, total debit is equal to total credit. This is the arithmetic mean, it should be equal. What debit amount is equal to credit amount. And in debit in debit entries, what are those entries is going to be come. I will explain you. Cash, bank, cash account and bank account, purchases account, opening stock account, debtors, furniture, machinery, wages, okay, salaries, rent, carriage inwards, drawings, and carriage outwards also come in debit balance. And coming to the credit balance, what is this credit balance? In credit balance, capital, sales, creditors, bills payable, bank overdraft, outstanding expenses, okay, income received in advance, commission, interest received. These all entries is going to be we are going to note on credit balance. Okay, now You know that golden rules, three golden rules. Based on that, while explaining, I will do the entries, right? Please see once. Personal account. Personal account means what? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Personal account, debit the receiver, credit the giver. RAM account, bank account, ABC company account. These all are comes under the personal account. Why means it is a company name, it is a person's name, so that's what we are calling it as a personal account. What here? Debit the receiver, credit the giver, personal account. And coming to the second one, real account. What is this real account? In real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Example, assets, tangible and intangible, cash, machinery, furniture, plant and machinery. This all comes under the real account. Okay, in real account, what the statement is there? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Okay, all assets, tangible and intangible goods, durable or non-durable goods, one of the same, right? Now let's discuss nominal account. Nominal account, debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Example, salary account, interest received account, and so on. These are the three golden rules, and these are the our trial balance entries. Okay, so by reading this, if we enter the statements in trial balance, so for us it is easy while solving the problems. Let's start. Here cash and bank comes in the debit balance, right? Here cash and balance comes under the debit balance. Okay, according to sorry, sorry, according to personal account, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Now here I am writing cash and bank. Okay, amount where we will write ma here in debit side we will write the amount. And now purchases account. Purchases account, where you are going to write? We are going to write purchase account. Okay, capital amount you are going to pass in credit balance. Sales amount you are going to pass in credit balance. Okay, now opening stock. Opening stock we are going to write. If you write closing stock amount, where you are going to pass this amount on credit side. Now sundry creditors and sundry debtors, you can write creditors. Okay, creditors and debtors. So guys, please tell me purchases where I am writing here amount in balance sheet, capital and sales amount I am passing in where in credit amount, right? Opening stock where I am passing this amount in debit side. Closing stock here I am passing this amount on credit side. Creditors on credit side, debtors on debtor side. And how many remaining is there? So bills payable, I'm writing here bills payable. And after that furniture and machinery. Okay, bank overdraft, wages and salaries outstanding expenses. And what is here? Rent, wages, rent, salaries, all will come here. Income received in advance. Income received, I'm writing like this, in advance. Commission interest received, commission interest. Okay, now carriage inwards and drawings. Now see guys, where I am writing this all amounts. Bills payable in credit side, we are paying bill, right ma? So furniture and machinery, furniture and machinery assets, right? So in debit side, bank overdraft, bank is overdraft, right? We will write in sorry, credit side, bank overdraft, we will write in credit side. Furniture and machinery, furniture and machinery is a debit, right? So bills payable, bills payable means what? We are paying bills, bills is we are paying, right? And bank overdraft is a this thing, and wages and salaries is a debit. And what is this? Outstanding expenses, outstanding expenses, anyhow we have to supposed to pay. Outstanding expenses means expenses, prepaid expenses means which already paid, which already paid before given date. Outstanding expenses is paid after completion of date. Okay, this month I have to pay rent, but this month I'm not paid, I paid in February ending, so it is outstanding. When I supposed to pay in January only, it is comes under the outstanding expenses. Is that clear? So income received in advance, that also come in credit side. Commission interest received, it also comes in credit side. Carriage inwards, carriage inwards debit side. Even carriage outwards also comes under the debit side. Drawings, drawings well come the debit side. So here what we are going to do, here we are going to total debit is equal to total credit. Okay, here we will do the total. So this uses, why this trial balance uses for? This trial balance uses for, you know, preparation of trading profit loss account and balance sheet. Trial balance is not a final statement. Is I'm clear? It is not a final statement. Trial balance is a statement which supports for preparation of final statement. Okay, so what here in this trial balance, like expenses, losses, okay, assets, this all comes under the debit side. You can see that expenses, losses, drawing, okay, and purchases, these all assets, furniture, machinery, this all comes on the debit side. And credit side, credit side what? All liabilities, all liabilities, incomes, gains, okay na, the incomes, gains, this all shown on the credit side. Incomes and gains means the commission interest received, it is a gain only. Where we are showing? We are showing in the credit side. Okay, and after that commission, commission interest and also income account, income received in advance, that also where we are showing it is a gain only, right, in credit side. So these are the trial balance. If you you know, take note, take screenshot and prepare yourself guys. So with this help, if you see in textbook, and you can able to easily solve your questions by yourself. No need any what do you say, any help, any other sources, no need. Okay, if you take screenshot, if you read accordingly, if you pass the entries, you will get the trial balance. What is the, how we can say that we got answer? Total amount, what the total amount on debit side and what the total amount on credit side equals. When it equals, it is the correct statement what we have prepared. Okay, thank you dear guys. Please share, subscribe, okay, and like my channel. Maybe it is useful for somebody else, like who are now going to give the sem 1 exams in 2026. Please pass this. Thank you.